Hey guys, this is Sameer here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you create your personal sticker on WhatsApp. So few days back WhatsApp has recently released their new feature where you can send stickers on WhatsApp. So click on the first link in the description and download this app called Personal Stickers for WhatsApp. So once you download it, open this application and allow the permission that it asks for. And once you allowed it, you will see all the images that you have in your phone. So the pre-requirements are you must have at least 3 images into a folder to add as a sticker. To get the best out of the sticker, go to the Eraser app, select any of the image that you would like to convert into the sticker, and go to the auto tool and remove all the backgrounds from it so that once you send to someone else it will look almost similar to the sticker. So you have to do at least of 3 images so that you can add in the WhatsApp stickers, because if you do less than 3 then it can't be added into the WhatsApp stickers. Once you're done, go to the personal stickers. Now you'll find your images. Now click on add button. Once you click on add, then again click on add. Now it will be added on your WhatsApp. Now go back to your WhatsApp, click on the emoji icon and go to the stickers option, and here you will find your stickers. Now you can send them and shock your friends. So that's it for this video guys. Like this video if it find helpful for you. Comment down below if you have any questions. Share this video with your friends who don't know this feature, and subscribe to this channel for more videos, and I will hope to see you soon.